Hello, this is Imperator Real Estate Agency. We're located in the residential complex Alden 7 residence. This complex has its own well-groomed garden, swimming pools, camellias and outdoor parking.
An apartment 2+1 with an area 150 square meters is offered for purchase. The apartment is located on the 5th floor and has stunning views of the sea and the main street of Barbarossa.
The apartments are rented with a fine finish, a full set of plumbing in the bathroom and a built-in kitchen.
For more information, please contact our real estate agency.